mistook sea lions for another creature called the true seal. So right here, Philip is going to show us how a true seal looks on land and how a true seal moves on land. Sea lions are much more versatile than that, right? He's going to show you a few moves with a flip of wall, a speed hop, hey, side to side. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, now you have seen how strong those swimmers are. Do you want to see how fast he can swim? Come on, you want to see how fast he can swim? Lord, what's happening? How come? Today he got a lot of complaint. Someone, Singapore Sea Lions.
Philip said he doesn't want to swim.
But he's a sea lion.
Said he saw something very big and scary inside the pool.
He saw something big and scary in the pool. But when we check the pool, there's nothing big and scary. Do you all see anything big and scary in the pool? No, right? No, never mind. Let me check, okay? Nothing this side. Nothing this side. Look at that, he doesn't trust me. He also wants to check. Come on, Philip, there's nothing big in the pool. Let's show them. How fast you get? A shark! If there's a shark, he'll have before dinner. Come on! Let's show some speed! And with his streamlined body, a belly slide! Now, sea lions, they have been used by the US Navy SEALs for search and rescue mission. So right now, we will show you how they do it, okay? But to do that, I need the help of one young volunteer to help me. Now, okay. Hi, stand here. Okay, what is your name? Sinaya, where are you from? Ladies and gentlemen, we have Sinaya all the way from India! Okay, Sinaya. Now this is the diving stick. So what we're going to get Sinaya to throw the diving stick into the water, and we're going to get Philip to retrieve the stick. Okay, Sinaya, can you do that? Just throw it into the water anywhere in the pool. Can you do that? Yes? No? Yes? Yes? Okay, never mind. Hold on. Quick. Okay, before we can do that, close your eyes, Philip. Okay, go. Alright, yeah. Okay, ladies, settle down. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Sinaya from India. Are we ready? Let's go. Sea lions have very good eyesight in the water. Alright, now Philip has been practicing this move and he wants to show it off to you. This is called the corkscrew.